Hey, want to come up with a creative date night? Come on out tonight at 210 Chipping Sparrow in Somerville for a Twilight tour open house of this gorgeous home. I've got 2 seats right here around a cozy fire, or you can even go and soak your toes in that gorgeous pool and hang out at the cabana if you like, after you take our Twilight tour of this fantastic home. Please come on out. We're here from 5 to 8 and you will not believe what you're gonna see. Huge master. We've got 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a mother-in-law suite, a completely updated and upgraded kitchen, laundry room, bathrooms, and there is a killer dressing room for this one. So come on out. I've got seats right here and this would be a really fun date night. See you soon. 5 to 8.